Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting power and a clear Bluetooth path. Charge the AirPods Max above 20% so connections don't drop mid-pairing. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and keep the Bluetooth screen visible. This helps you confirm when devices appear. Once done, press and hold the noise control button for about 3-5 seconds until the LED flashes white. That puts the headphones into pairing mode, and it's the first actionable step toward a stable connection. Now choose AirPods Max from the device list. On iPhone or iPad, tap the name under Other Devices, while on Mac, pick it from the Bluetooth menu. This tells the device to negotiate profiles like A2DP and HFP. If a prompt appears, tap Connect and accept any Siri or location prompts so features work correctly. Make sure the LED behavior changes. If it turns green or stops flashing, the link is established. Keep devices near each other to avoid packet loss during this step. Finish by checking audio output in Control Center and set your preferred noise control or transparency mode so sound behaves as you expect. You'll hear the change immediately. If you want AirPods Max to switch between your iPhone and iPad automatically, enable automatic switching in Bluetooth settings. This syncs profiles via iCloud. If pairing fails, reset the headphones. Hold the noise control button and digital crown for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber, then white. This clears faults and lets you try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.